I'm Bo from Lunchbox Dad, and today we're gonna learn more about the soil below our feet with a recipe for Dig Deep Dirt Cups. Here's a list of the stuff you're gonna need. This recipe is all about discovering the deeper story of the layers of soil, and we're gonna start with the one that needs baking, and that's a brownie. We are going to mix together cocoa powder and Arm & Hammer baking soda in a large bowl. Next, we're adding in boiling water and half of the vegetable oil. We're gonna mix it really well. We will stir in the sugar, eggs, and the rest of the vegetable oil, and then keep mixing. Dump in your flour, vanilla extract, and salt, and just keep mixing. Grab your 9x13 pan, spray it with non-stick cooking spray, and then put that batter in. Bake it for about 35 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. We're gonna prepare our grass layer. The grass layer is made up of shredded coconut and green food coloring. Spoon the coconut into the zip top bag, and then we're gonna start with 6 drops of green liquid food coloring. This is the fun part. Let your kids layer the dirt ingredients any way they want, leaving the grass and the worms for the top. For our layer of bedrock, we're using chocolate chips. For our subsoil, we're gonna use a mixture of pudding and crumbled brownies. And for our topsoil layer, we're gonna use crushed up cream-filled chocolate sandwich cookies. And we're gonna top it all off with our coconut grass and our gummy worms. While your kids are layering, you can keep your eyes on them, but maybe your ears on your favorite podcast. I hope you enjoyed working with your kids today, discovering more about soil. Dirt has never tasted so good, so enjoy it. Until next time.